All right, welcome, Mac Attack. Special guest appearance from Miss Mac. You know Miss Mac don't play, so we're going to dive in. We are in Unit 2, Sample Problem 3. We're talking about Axel and his stock company. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to lay out is visualizing this problem. So you know that you have this starting cost of Axel's stock price, and we know that we're starting at $250 a share in January. We know that the stock price is then going to change from January to February, and again from February to March, okay? So we know first that from January to February, that stock price is going to be decreasing by 38%. And we know we're going to think of that in decimal form as our 0.38. Okay, cool. And then we know from February to March that stock price again is going to be increasing by 20%. Or our 0.2. Okay, and then we know that this question wants to know by what percentage did the price of the stock decrease per share from January all the way to March. So the question is actually asking us for the percentage decrease. Cool. Okay, so now we need to find our 38% decrease, or 62% of our 250. So we're going to set up our ratio table. We have our total dollars, and then we have our percent. So we have our $250, which is our 100%. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to that friendly number of 10%, which gets me to $25. I know I'm going to need to get to 62%, so I'm going to go ahead and divide this again by 5 to get to 2%, which would get me to $5. So I know that 2% is going to be $5. Then I also immediately know that 10 times 6 will get me to 60%. 25 times 6 is going to get me to 150. And then I can just easily add up my ratio table. So I get to $155 is my 62%. Okay? So now I know that February stock price is going to be $155, right? It has decreased by $95, and we are at $155. Okay, so now from February to March, this one should be a pretty easy one to work out. We know that we now have our total money as $155, and that is our 100% now. That's our new 100%. Okay, and we need to find a 20% increase. So we're going to go ahead and go down to our 10%, which is going to get me to $15.50. I'm going to go ahead and double that for my 20% increase, which is going to get me to $31, which is our 20% increase. So I know that I'm increasing by $31, but I need to find out what that actual stock price is. So my 155 plus my $31 is going to get me back up to 186, which is my March stock price. Okay, so now we have our final stock price in March. Are we done? No. We have to actually go back and think about what the question is asking us to do. Okay, so now when we're looking at that overall percent decrease, remember, from our January stock price to our March stock price, we need to figure out what that percent decrease is. So we know that 250 minus 186 is going to get us to $64. So we know that we've lost $64 from January to March. So we have our total money, and we need to figure out what those $64 out of our 250, what percent that is going to get us. So we have our percent. Okay, so we have our total, which is our 250, and that is, once again, our 100%. And remember, we're trying to get to our $64. Go ahead and divide by 25 on both sides. So then I'm going to get to 10, which is going to go ahead and be 4%. Okay, so then I have to go even further down. Remember, I'm trying to get to my 64, so I'm going to go ahead and go down to 1, divide by 10 on both sides. I'm going to get to 0.4%. Then I'm going to go ahead and multiply by 4 to get my 4 for 64, and that is going to get me to 1.6%. Okay, so now I have the easy part left, which is to get up to 60. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply by 6 on both sides over here, that's gonna get me up to 24%. Okay, so now all I have to do is add in my 64, my 24 plus my 1.6%, which is gonna get me to 25.